Now, business owners are asked to limit their building capacity to 25%. La Crosse County health officials announced an advisory this morning that adopts the same requirements in Governor Tony Evers' latest emergency order. News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstead breaks it all down.
The cases have been growing at a concerning rate over the past couple of months.
The transition from August to September did not reflect positively in the eyes of health experts like La Crosse County's Jen Rumbalski.
We see that September cases were increased fivefold from August.
The impact of case spread among younger people is now affecting older populations with higher risk factors. 4 more people have died in the past 2 days.
Our hearts really go out to the families of those individuals.
The county announced a new advisory this morning asking business owners to limit their gatherings inside to 25% of their total capacity. It's the same requirement as Governor Tony Evers' emergency order number 3, an order tied up in the court system after the Tavern League of Wisconsin sued Wednesday.
It's fair to say that there's been a lot of confusion.
Rumbalski spoke to reporters this afternoon about the questions surrounding legal authority with statewide orders and county orders. Despite the court battle in Sawyer County, this advisory has legal standing in La Crosse County, according to County Administrator Steve O'Malley.
This advisory is directly related to our responsibility for our community.
Just like before, enforcement will not come from law enforcement. Rumbalski says the health department will use a stepwise approach to deal with violations. They include the health advisory notice, receiving a credible report of a violation, and then using a citation if a business refuses to cooperate.
And if we can't get voluntary compliance, then we will always use as many steps as possible and education and communication with businesses to assure that compliance is occurring.
Under the advisory, she says the county will not actively search for violations. The county is asking for people's voluntary efforts to help stop a negative trend in Wisconsin. Reporting in La Crosse County, this is Jordan Fremstead, News 8 Now.
Rumbalski says private gatherings at homes in the county are also something people really need to start thinking about. They are noticing case spread related to home gatherings. So we want to know what you have to think, what you think as well. Do you agree with the health department's advisory? To share your opinion with us in our live real-time poll, all you have to do is go to the News 8000 app on your smart device or go to news8000.com/vote to share your thoughts. And then we will have the results coming up later on in our newscast.